Math Module 4, Lesson 9. I can find a fraction of a measurement and solve word problems. Make sure everything I do in the video, you do in your workbook. If you need to rewind or rewatch, do it. Anything to be successful. Good luck. Problem number 1. 1/4 of a pound is equal to how many ounces? Well, I'm converting from pounds to ounces, so I've got to figure out how many ounces are in a pound. So I know that 1 pound is equal to 16 ounces. So I have to do 1/4 times 16. Well, let's think about our previous lessons. 1/4 times 16 over 1. 1 times 16, those are my numerators, is 16. 4 times 1, my denominators, is 4. 16 divided by 4 is 4. So 1/4 of a pound is equal to 4 ounces. Another way we can solve this is I start with what I know, which is 1/4 of a pound times 16 ounces. But this time I'm going to put my numerators together because I know 4 times 1 is always going to be 4. And I can simplify. 4 can go into 4 and 16, so 4 divided by 4 is 1. 16 divided by 4 is 4. So 1 times 4 is 4, and it's over 1, which is equal to 4 ounces. Either way gets me the correct answer. Problem 2. 3/4 of a foot is equal to how many inches? So I'm converting from feet to inches. So I need to know that 1 foot is equal to 12 inches. So let's write this. 3/4 times 12. Well, I can do 3/4 times 12 over 1. Multiply my numerators. 3 times 12 is 36. Multiply my denominators. 4 times 1 is 4. 36 divided by 4 is 9. Another way we can solve. So I start with what I know, 3/4 times 12. So I can put my numerators together because 4 times 1 is going to be 4 every single time. So 3 times 12 over 4. So let's simplify. 4 can go into 12, so 12 divided by 4 is 3. 4 divided by 4 is 1. So 3 times 3 is 9, because over 1 is still 9. So 9 inches. So 3/4 of a foot is 9 inches. Make sure you showed all your work. Problem number 3. Mr. Corsetti spends 2/3, so we're going to add my fraction, of every year in Florida. How many months does he spend in Florida each year? Well, I need to know, it says months, so I need to go from year to month. So I need to know that 1 year is equal to 12 months. So I know he spends 2/3 of every year times 12 months. Well, so I can do 2/3 times 12 over 1, because that's my 12 months. 2 times 12, which is my numerators, are 24. 3 times 1, which are my denominators, is 3. 24 divided by 3 is 8. So 8 months. Another way we can solve this is I start with what I know. He's in Florida 2/3 of the year. Well, I can do my numerators I can put together. 2 times 12 over 3, because 3 times 1 is still going to be 3. Well, I can simplify. 3 divided by 3 is 1. 12 divided by 3 is 4. 2 times 4 is 8. Over 1 is still 8. So 8 months. So let's write our answer statement. Mr. Corsetti spends 8 months in Florida each year. Make sure you showed all your work.